Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are going to factorize t squared minus 2t minus 24. Mr. Tan going to use cross chart to help me do this question. Do take note how Mr. Tan position the terms when he uses the cross chart. And negative 2t will be here. Now, what factors make t squared? Very good. T times t will give me t squared. As for 24, now Mr. Tan is going to list out all the factors of 24. And out of these 4 pairs, which pair, if I plus or minus, will give me a 2? Very good. 6 and 4. Because 6 minus 4 or 4 minus 6 will give me a 2 somehow. So that's what I'm going to choose. Later on, Mr. Tan then consider the negative sign. But for now, 4 times t is 4t, 6 times t is 6t, and now is to consider where do I put minus sign such that I get a negative 2 at the end. Is it 6 minus 2? Or is it 4 minus 6? Very good. Negative 6 plus 4 or 4 minus 6 will give me my negative 2, and that's where I get my answer. Alright, the last step would then be to write out the answer. So the answer will be t and negative 6, t and positive 4. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, feel free to like or subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.